Hello! Let's learn the letter I with the phonic sound. And the letter I makes a sound of E, 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 E. This is the capital I in front of you. Let's learn some new words with the letter I. I-E, India. I-E, India. I-E, indigo. I-E, ink. I-E, ink. I-E, ink pot. I-E, iguana. I-E, ice. I-E, ice. I-E, ice cream. I-E, information. I-E, imagination. I-E, idea. I-E, injection. I-E, infection. I-E, injury. I-E, injury. I-E, India. I-E, indigo. I-E, inkpot. I-E, ink. I-E, iguana. I-E, ice. I-E, ice cream. Let's learn some new words. I-E, igloo. I-E, ice and ice cream. I-E, island. I-E, insects. I-E, iron. I-E, infant. I-E, information. I-E, imagination. I-E, injection. I-E, infection. I-E, injury. Well, let's learn how to write the letter I in capital, uppercase, and how to write the letter I in lowercase. Let's learn how to write letter I in uppercase first. Let's make a sleeping line first here. Then bring a standing line from here and join another sleeping line. This is the way we make uppercase I, i.e. injury, i.e. infection, i.e. information. Let's make another I. Sleeping line, standing line, another sleeping line. One more time. Sleeping line, standing line, and another sleeping line. Simple. Sleeping line, standing line, and another sleeping line. Wow, this is very simple. Sleeping line, standing line, and another sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line, and another sleeping line. This is the way we make capital I or uppercase I. This is the way we make capital I. Let's make small I or lowercase I. This is also very simple. You just have to make a standing line and a dot on it like this. A standing line and a small dot. Standing line with a dot on the top. Standing line with a dot on the top. This is the way we make small or lowercase I. This is the way we make small I. A standing line with a dot on it. A standing line with a dot on it. Well, we have learned the capital I and the lower I with the new words today. Well, my video ends here. I hope you will definitely like this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.